kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang mag-ibig, telas ng sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Upang hinirang, kuya ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisingil, sa nagatang pulbog sa simoy at sa langit mong panglaw, ay nilagang tulad, awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isang ng matawad ko'y tagumpay na nag-iibig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidinig. Luman ang araw ng walhagit pagsinta, ko'y langit sa piling ko. Ang inigaya na pagkay mga aking, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Wala na bang magagawa? Hindi ka ba nagtataka? Paligid ay tahimik, ngunit di payapa. Marami ang nangangamba, ito ba ay matatapos pa? Lahat nagtatanong, nasan ang kasagutan?
Paano na bukas makalawa? Paano pag ang hirap ay hindi ko na kinaya? Paano ba tayo magkakaisa sa panahong malayo sa isa't isa?
Hanggat may nakikinig sa panalangin, di mawawala ang pag-asa natin. Ikaw at ako, babangon tayo. Sama-sama lahat ay susulong. Basta tayo'y magtutulong-tulong. Lilipas din, matatapos din ang dilim. Manalangin, 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 matatapos din ang dilim. Manalangin, 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 matatapos din ang dilim.
Hinubog mo kami mula sa kawalan, binigyan mo ng buhay at karangalan. Dati ay sinakop ka ng iba't ibang dayuhan, ngunit sa taglay mong lakas, hindi patatalo kanino man. Mga Muslim, mga Kristiyano at mga iba pang tribo, kami nagkakaisa sa pag-angat ng ngalan mo. Dugot namang iaalay, pumailan lang sa paggabay. Patuloy kang bigyang puri, kami sa'yo'y nawiwili. Mabuhay ka, Reyong Dose. Malawak masagana ang iyong lupain, pati buong bansa'y umaasa sa iyong mahahain. Sa pagsikat ng araw, kay ganda ng iyong tanawin, pinagpala ng may kapal, mabuhay ka, Sok Sargent. Ako, ikaw, tayo, tungo sa kaunlaran, talino at lakas, ihahandog sa bayan. Mga Muslim, mga Kristiyano at mga iba pang tribo, kami nagkakaisa sa pag-angat ng ngalan mo. Dugot naman iaalay, pumailan lang sa paggabay. Patuloy kang bigyang puri, kami sa'yo'y nawiwili. Mabuhay ka, Reyong Dose.
exotic beauty reigns throughout the land, like in Maasim, Alabel, and Malapatan. Sarangani, there's a reason why your name rhymes with beauty. Behold, thy mountains touch the sky, and your shoreline glimmers under the sun. Truly God-given land, to you, Sarangani, we pledge our lives. Sparkling the waters of the bay, with nature's rhythm wont to sway, inviting fishers' boats in the poet's mind, truly molded by hands divine. Your spreading highways open wide. Welcome to the province of Sarangani. They mean to say paradise in southern Mindanao. My heart and mind to thee I vow. Sarangani, there's a reason why your name rhymes with beauty. Behold, thy mountains touch the sky, and your shoreline glimmers under the sun. Truly God-given land, to you, Sarangani, we pledge our lives. Sarangani, land of beauty, we pledge our lives.
Mula kabundukan hanggang kalawakan, kakayaning ihatid ang pinangakong kaalaman.
Ngayon, sa pagtatapos ng school year 2020 at 2021, magniningning ang mga bituin na nagsusumikap ng mag-aaral.
Ako po si Merchant Evil Llorente.
Ako si Jean M. Baracleles.
Makakasama ninyo kami sa paghahatid ng mga pagtatapos sa mas malawak na mundo. Sa ating Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Nerissa Alfapara.
Sa ating Public Schools District Supervisors, Susana S. Sumagka.
Sa ating butihing punong guro, Benito J. Tumandan Jr.
Sa ating mga kapwa guro,
mga magulang,
mga magsisipagtapos,
mga manonood,
at sa ating Facebook streamers.
Isang napakagandang araw sa ating lahat. Magandang araw, Binibining.
Magandang araw naman, Ginoong Merchant.
Ang araw na ito ay isa sa pinaka-di makakalimutang pangyayari sa ating buhay.
Dahil ito ang pinakaunang virtual graduation ng Tiyahi Integrated School.
Talagang kakaiba ang selebrasyon sa taong ito.
At isang karangalan ng mapasama sa kakaibang selebrasyon ng pagtatapos sa taong ito.
At ngayon, pakinggan natin ang pambungad na pananalita galing sa ating mahal na punong guro, Benito J. Tumandan Jr.
It is my pleasure to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the completers in the graduating class of Tiyahi Integrated School Batch 2021. I am so proud of your achievements. Despite the pandemic situation, you are able to hurdle all odds in this particular stage of your life. Your hard work and dedication have paid off. Consider this as a gift to your parents for their unwavering support to your endeavors and aspirations. You have accomplished one major step in your way to stability and responsiveness. You have to face a greater challenge that requires your academic devotions. May you be guided by our Almighty God, leading you to the path of success. Kaya gapat dito nga ang graduate di Falini Tiyahe Integrated School na the completers ni Mongklahogo na gamot nga gamo di kaskolyo ito ulahaw gagin ni red teachers ulahaw di gafngayo wag di Falini kinimo to. Congratulations, mong salamat and mong
Maraming salamat sa taos-pusong mensahe, Sir Ben. Talagang kahit gaano man kahirap, basta ang pangarap na iyong magsusumikapan ay matutupad.
Tama, Binibining Jean. At para naman sa pagbigay ng kanyang mensahe, samahan ninyo kaming bigyang pugay ang kalihim na kagawaran ng edukasyon, Secretary Leonor Magtules Briones.
Good day to each and everyone who is attending virtually present at this time of our graduation ceremonies for our beloved and very precious graduates for the school year which ends at this time. First of all, I'd like to greet the parents and family members without whose sacrifices, whose reminders, and whose participation in the learning process for our graduates have resulted in this culmination program. This year, your role has changed drastically, where we've always believed that the matter of educating our children rests nearly exclusively on our teachers and our staff. This time, you parents, you family members, you who are in the households of our learners have expanded your role and contributed to this wonderful day, wherein finally, our learners are graduating in this culmination exercise. So congratulations, because this year has not been very easy, has not been a picnic for our teachers, for our family members, as well, especially the parents, mothers, fathers, sisters, brothers, and all who have contributed to the achievement of our learners at this time. So, maraming salamat at congratulations, parents and family members. Mas malaki ang role ninyo at this time compared to earlier graduation exercises. But of course, most of the congratulatory greetings fall on the deserving graduate. I have said that you are very special. You are very different. You are pioneering. There has been no other class like your class. There has been no other graduate like you as a graduating student, because you are the very first graduate of the blended learning response to education. And so you ask yourself, what awaits you in the world outside? You can work, you can proceed for further studies. Perhaps some of you will settle down, hopefully not too soon. You can help your parents, and you can perhaps look for opportunities to do what you have always wanted to do, whether at work, whether at advanced studies, whether at learning more in science and technology, in mathematics, and in the arts. All of these opportunities are available to you. More doors are being opened. I hope you will select the door which arouses your curiosity, the door which will help you know more about this world, and the door which will allow you to contribute to the development of our country and contribute whatever we can to solve our problems and our challenges. Congratulations once more to each and every one of you. Congratulations to you, parents and family members. Congratulations to you, teachers. Go out to the world. Do whatever you want to do. God be with you, and be assured that all of us love each and every one of you. Congratulations.
At maraming salamat din po sa isang napakagandang pamamahala at matyagang pamamalakad sa buong ahensya ng edukasyon.
Talagang espesyal ang araw na ito para sa ating mga buting guro, mga magulang, mga mag-aaral. At sa sobrang espesyal, mayroon pang gustong bumati.
Palakpakan natin ang ating Regional Director, Sir Carlito Dalisay Rocafort.
Maalab na pagbati ang ipinaabot sa inyong lahat. Nung nakaraang taon, ang lahat ay nabigla sa pagkakaroon ng pandemya dulot ng COVID-19. Walang sino man ang nakapaghanda na mangyayari ito sa atin. Ang lahat ng bagay noon ay walang kasiguraduhan dahil sa pandemyang ito. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, ay nanatiling handa ang kagawaran ng edukasyon sa pagpapatupad ng Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan upang magpatuloy ang edukasyon sa gitna ng pandemya. Ito ay isang naging napakaabalang taon para sa ating mga guro sa paghahanda ng iba't ibang kagamitang panturo at mga pamamaraan ng pagtuturo para sa ating kabataan. Naging bukang bibig ng lahat ang distance learning na naging sentro sa pamamaraan upang maihatid ang edukasyon para sa ating mga kabataan. Sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, ang pagkakaroon ng mabuting pananaw at pagtutulungan ang siya lamang makakatulong upang malampasan natin ang pagsubok na ito. Kaya naman, ngayong araw na ito, ay aking pinasasalamatan ang ating mga guro, mga pinuno ng paaralan, mga supervisor, at mga Assistant Schools Division Superintendents, Schools Division Superintendents ng 8 sangay dito sa DepEd Soc-Sargen sa patuloy na pagsisikap upang magawa ang kanilang mga tungkulin para sa pagpapatupad ng edukasyon in the new normal. Muli, maligayang pagbati sa inyong pagtatapos. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang mga kabataang Pilipino. Congratulations everyone.
Good day. I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of Quiaje Integrated School this school year 2020-2021. composed of 22 boys and 32 girls, with a total of 54 for grade 6, and 6 boys and 14 girls, with a total of 20 for senior high school TVL organic farming. I hereby petition the Office of the District Supervisor to certify the completion of the requirements for these candidates.
By the authority vested in me as a representative of the school's division superintendent, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6, I, Susana Sadavo Sumagka, district principal in charge of Malapatan 3, having been presented and certified by the school principal, Sir Benito Tumandan Jr. of Quiahi Integrated School, that you have completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the Basic Education Curriculum. I now confirm you, elementary graduates, male 22, female 32, total of 54 graduates. Senior high school graduates, TVL Organic Farming, male 6, female 14, total of 20. Graduates of Quiahi Integrated School for school year 2020-2021. Congratulations!
I think your smile's all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one.
These are the grade 6 graduates of Quiahi Integrated School for the school year 2020-2021. Grade 6 Sapphire, Bas Gary Sumbo, Bayang Gino Magwan, Mara Ryan Malinog, Sangay Giveheart Kanmagi, Simbanan Ronron Lava, Sumbo Jepoy Bagyan, Sumbo Renner Makoy, Sumbo Rayboy Kalamagan, Wating Jerry Makon, Wating Jomar Lumayas, Aguila Alea Wating, Andal Christine Donde, Bas Maricel Sangay, Bas Maribel Taluno, Fasang Annalyn Simbanan, Lakay Annalyn Wating, Magwan Irish Landilis, Magwan Jessa Sinama, Oday Mariel Wating, Sukal Nicolene Wano, Sumbo Gretchen Wating, Tablo Jasmine Magwan, Taluno Jovet Mangabo, Tango Mika Lakay, Wating Rochelle Sangay, Wating Sasi Taluno, Yuba Angelo Magwan. These are the grade 6 graduates of Quiahi Integrated School for the school year 2020-2021. Grade 6 Diamond, Bualan John Carlo Malinawon, Kabalo Jared Tagwayan, Jot Diven Taluno, Dumalan Felix Oha Castro, Idanan Rainier John Cobar, Academic Excellence Awardee with Honors, Gasapo John David de la Cruz, Magwan Prince Febert Proho, Mara Dimdim Sangay, Mara Sirim Sangay, Sagintong Wendell Singh, Tagaldaw Mikeyas Bagayan, Wating Kimkim Gafa, Bayat Leslie Sagintong, Bualan Angeli Taluno, Cobar Jaya Perono, Academic Excellence Awardee with Honors. Delatina Marian Joy Taluno, Academic Excellence Awardee with Honors. Landiles Princess Grace Magwan, Limot Mayan Tablo, Malinog Junacel Sangay, Malinog Rochabel Bagyan, Mara Dailin Kalayon, Samong Cheryan Wating, Sangay Gretchen Malinog, Academic Excellence Awardee with Honors. Sukal Kikay Karay, Taluno Anika Jane Fau, Tawan Christine Mara, Yako Leia Jane Oday. Congratulations, graduates! These are the senior high school graduates of Quiaje Integrated School for the school year 2020-2021, Grade 12 Edison, TVL Organic Farming. Donde Dennis Landilis, Madridano Ryan Dala, Magwan Yaki Tablo, Academic Excellence Awardee with Honors. Malbino Eric Gafa, Mante Jovel Jr. Donde, Yaton Joramil Carl Mangay, Bagyan Eileen Bayat, Clobao Marta Caliaga, Clobao Narcy Malatabon, Dalagan Judy Ann Tablo, Dumalan Feby Rose Oja Castro, Galio Irene Lansan, Limot Abigail Tablo, Magwan Cherry May Tablo, Magwan Stephanie Tablo, Academic Excellence Awardee with Honors. Sangay Charlene Bayat, Smaray Angelica Mangay, Sukal Michelle Sinama, Tablo Angeline Magwan, Tablo Janet Magwan. Congratulations, senior high school graduates!
Binati na tayo ni Secretary Leones, Regional Director Carlito, at syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang ating punong taga-pamanihala, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda.
Babasahin ko po ang mensahe ng ating mapagmahal na School Division Superintendent. As the school year 2020-2021 closes with graduation and completion ceremonies, we consider it a truly remarkable event for all of us, workers in the Department of Education, stakeholders and partners in government and private sectors, especially the parents, and members of the graduating class, my warmest congratulations to all of us. Together, let us rejoice in the year's theme, Strengthening Quality Education Amidst COVID-19 Pandemic, because the achievement of our learners today proves that education amidst emergencies can continue. The collaborative efforts of teachers, administrators, and stakeholders made it possible for us to overcome the challenges in implementing our basic education learning continuity plan. It also created opportunities for stakeholders in providing tools and support mechanisms to make various learning modalities fit the situation of our diverse learners. We have witnessed the sacrifices of parents, even family members who extended their support and have become crucial partners of teachers in the delivery of education. We also acknowledge the efforts of teachers in their resilience to respond to the demands of basic education amidst the pandemic. We also acknowledge the equally important roles played by each one as we realize that together we have become more creative and innovative to levy resources and respond to the pressing need. We have become more drawn to each other, and now finally, we could see that our collaboration could beat the odds of shifting to the new normal in education. My salute to all of you. Seeing the result of this collaborative partnership, I know that whatever crisis may be have ahead of us, we can continue to work together in fighting for the education of our children, the only hope for a brighter future. To our dear learners, as you celebrate the fruit of your hard work and patience today, consider it as an arsenal to combat whatever difficulties that may come your way. Remember that the whole nation is behind your quest to success in life. Congratulations! Mabuhay tayong lahat!
Ang bawat simula ay may katapusan. Naway, ang pagtatapos na iyon ay maging susi ang magbukas ng panibagong pinto ng tagumpay.
At laging tatandaan, ang mga pangarap ay hindi lamang basta hinihiling sa mga bulala. Ito ay kailangang paghirapan at nang ang tagumpay ay abot pa na.
Kasing dami ng mga talang nasa kalawakan, ang pag-asang hati ng edukasyon sa mga kabataan. Sa muli, ako po si Merchant E. Villorente.
Ako si Jean M. Paracueles.
Batang Sarangan, tungo sa matatag na kinabukasan.
Don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'm about to lose control. How do you patiently hold my hand and gently calm me down? Tell me something